Stay comfy and stylish when you wear these shoes by Woolloomooloo. They feature a waterproof wool upper to keep your feet nice and dry with a round toe silhouette and wide open collar with stretch panels on each side of the tongue for easy slip on. They have a knitted design from heel to toe, giving you a simple yet stylish look that's perfect for the season. I think these will look great with your favorite pair of skinny jeans and a nice sweater. Inside there is a wool lining that has an odor-resistant treatment to keep you nice and fresh and a removable footbed that is cushioned for comfort. The midsole adds more contrast and gives you lots of flexibility, making it great for all-day wear. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that is grippy to keep you stable.